One of the best features of CodeWrite is the ability to add multiple windows quickly, allowing you hassle-free coding in the system. In this video, I will guide you on how to do Excel upload, how to update them, and different copy functions when doing codes. To start, let's go to the codes page, locate the code you're working on, and click Edit Code. So once you're in this section, click on Add Window or Room, then select Export, then click Download Sample File. This will download an Excel file where you can manage all windows and their corresponding information. So this is the exact file downloaded, but prior to showing you this, I already created the windows you're seeing here. Of course, along with other information such as window designation, the mount, quantity, fixed type, we also have control site, control length, install types, and of course the measurements. Once you're all good with the Excel file, you may now save it, and you can go back to the CodeWrite page. So once you're back here, select Add Window or Room, then click Upload. Just select the file you've saved on your device, then click Open. All windows should show up in this section with all the details included. It is also possible to do some updates in Windows in one go without having to go back to the original Excel file. Instead, just go to Add Window or Room, then click on Update. So this will open up the Excel content with the windows in the code screen. Make sure to click on Update every time you make some changes in this section to apply them accordingly. Apart from this function, this section would also give you the option to copy windows. Just select the window you want to clone, let's say this one, and then click this button, Select Window. So the new window will be added on the last part of all windows, which is this one. Furthermore, you can also copy the whole code without going outside this page. All you need to do is click on Advanced Actions, click on Copy Code, and it will pull up a side menu where you can select from different options. We have here Copy the Whole Code. We also have Copy the Whole Code without a contact, Copy Just a Measure Sheet, and also Copy Just a Measure Sheet without a contact. Let's say we wanted to choose Copy the Whole Code. We have here the quantity, and of course the label if you wanted to. So once you save this, you will see that this is processing. Once it's successful, you may open the code from here. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If you're interested to know more, kindly check our other videos to guide you in some processes in the system. Thanks!